Hey guys, this video is about this storm door locking system. This door looks like over here doesn't lock, it stays up open like this. So that's not good during a high storm wind. It's always a problem. The door opens up. Sometimes the door slams open and it doesn't shut because look what's missing. The lock is missing. So today the plan is going to be is to install a lock. Hopefully, you get some insight out of this. This particular door, I had to use a quarter inch by 80 inch long piece of wood that I picked up from the store. Before I went to the store, of course, I did my measurements. So here I'm cutting it off. Once I cut it off in place, which is 80-inch high, I'm going to install it with some screws so that it fits. So right now I'm just dry fitting and make sure the wood is not thick where we're going to have a problem. Looks like it's the right size. It fits in. Of course it does because I measured it before I bought this. So I'm making a pre-drill holes so that when I screw this doesn't crack. Now I'm using a secondary bit to open up the hole a little bit bigger so the screw head hides. So later on, after this project, I'll be able to put wood filler and close it. So when I paint it, there's no way to know where the nails are, and the job will look good and you get a professional finish with it. So right now I'm just drilling it. I want to have it in place. You want to hold it in place because the drill through the wood and the drill where you go to the house has to be lined up. You don't want to make too many holes here. So I'm just, right now, just for the project, I'm doing 3. I might add 1 more just to make it a little sturdy, depending on how it looks like once the bracket is in place. So bear with me while I do this. I want to do this video so that it's both informative and as well as it has a clear instruction so for you to follow if you are following. So this is the special bracket that comes with the lock. You install this, but before you do, you have to measure. You know what they say, measure twice and cut once. So this is the situation here. You want to measure it because you don't want to make too many holes again. So right now, I'm putting it in. I put the bracket in where it's supposed to be. I made my marks, and now I'm just placing it permanent location with the screw. I'm using this drill bit with a regular sheetrock screw, but if you want, you could use a stainless screw because it does have some it is exposed to the outside. Whether it's up to you, but I use the sheetrock screw because that's all I have right now at this moment. If I see it's deteriorating or breaking or rusting or whatever the screw might be, or giving up, and I could always replace it. It's no big deal. Right now, for the sake of the video, I wanted to show you how it's done. So that's how it's done. Your door might be slightly different. Every house is constructed differently, but overall this is the general idea. And I hope you find this useful. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. You see how the job was done very well. So all I had to do is open the door. I opened it long enough and it just shut by itself. When it doesn't, that means the spring tension needs to be adjusted, which I could have covered in another video. So right now, this is the condition I had, and I solved it by installing that bracket. And look, the door is locked. I don't have any problem when the wind comes. And most importantly, I will be saving money. How? Because now the breeze is not going to go under the door. The breeze is going to be, the breeze from the outside is not going to come under the door to the house. I'll save money. My house will be more energy efficient. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and like this video and share it with your family and friends. So there's a small tab over here, and it's used to lock and unlock from the inside.